A&A crews are specialists in installing concrete. Installing concrete is a challenging job, and every concrete pour is different. Size, shape, color, finish, and the complexity of a project all have to be considered when pouring concrete. The different stages required to have a great concrete job can consist of many steps. From handling the base and subgrade, where the concrete is to be poured, through the forming, pouring, and finishing steps, there are a tremendous amount of details that A&A crews take into account to do a perfect job. In this video, you will see all the details they go through to end up with a superb result, and of course, a thrilled homeowner as well. A&A Masonry, an award-winning company servicing the Greater Toronto Area and the Golden Horseshoe. Before concrete can be poured, the site needs to be prepared to reduce the chance of heaving from expansive soils and frost. The crew needs to use the right tools to clear the area of all grass, rocks, trees, shrubs, and old concrete, exposing the bare earth. Earth-moving equipment is very often used in this process, especially for large pours. Then they place and compact a subbase with which to work on. Once the subbase is prepared, forms can be set. This can require the use of wood forms with metal or wood stakes. They attach the forms to the stakes with screws or special nails to allow for easier removal after the concrete has cured. Forms should be in good condition, be set to provide the proper slope or grade for water drainage, and to form clean corners where they meet each other or other structures. What lies below your concrete slab is critical to a successful job. This is no different than the foundation for a building. A slab on ground or slab on grade, by definition, is not intended to be self-supporting. The soil support system beneath it is there to support the slab. Traditionally, when we refer to subbase or subgrade, subgrade is the native soil or improved soil, usually having been leveled and compacted with the flow of water kept in mind. Subbase is a layer of gravel, crushed stone, or other material on top of the subgrade that helps with the leveling and water drainage as well. The base or base course is the layer of material on top of the subbase and directly under the slab. Concrete is a unique product that begins its life as a semi-solid that can be manipulated and worked to assume most any shape, and then hardens to assume that shape. This ability to fill voids and assume shapes is what makes concrete the most used building material on the planet. None of this would be possible without concrete forms. In simple terms, concrete forms are nothing more than a solid barrier that holds concrete in place or forces concrete to assume a certain shape. In this case of the concrete steps that we're looking at, the bases and subgrades have already been addressed, and at this point you can see the forming, starting with the woodwork being done. In the forming of this particular porch and stairs, you can see all the work put in to form the structure. Being a master carpenter is the first requisite. This particular crew is top of the line when it comes to erecting a wooden structure to shape the porch and stairs. You can see the detailed work required to do this. After the base is done, they put in the foundation with rebar poles coming out to give the structure strength. Then welding the rebar to give reinforcement bars to ensure that the strength and longevity of the structure is assured. From there, the concrete is poured and finished. You can see the freshly poured and finished concrete steps where the overhang design starts to take place. This not only creates a beautiful custom design, but is also designed to manage any water and channel it away for a concrete job that is going to last a long time. And here is the finished job after the concrete is fully cured, and the evidence of a perfect job well done. Notice the tremendous upgrade in the porch and steps from before and after. This is a perfect transformation of the front of the house, giving it a great unique design and a fantastic curb appeal. So if you're looking to upgrade the appearance of your home and you want a top company that's going to do an outstanding job, make it beautiful, and make it to last, contact A&A Masonry. Ask for their top crews and let them get you on the right path to make your home looking great and as safe as it can be for all the decades in the future. To schedule your next project, contact A&A Masonry today.